Hi everyone and welcome to Akshatas recipes. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, keeping in with the lovely monsoon weather and the lovely rains that we are bestowed upon in our lovely city of Mumbai, today I'm going to be making one of our favorites, which is bread pakoras. I have a very quick and simple and easy recipe which anybody can make. So I hope you give it a try. Have this with a lovely hot cup of tea or coffee. Read your favorite book, watch your favorite movie, spend time with your family and friends, and enjoy all of this over some lovely bread pakoras. So I hope you like today's recipe, and if you do, then don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to share my recipes with family and friends. For those of you who are new, please go and visit Akshatas recipes. I have more than 250 recipes and lots of vlogs. So you can go and check out those videos. For those of you who have only seen my new recent videos, you can go back. I have been on Akshatas recipes for 2 years now. So I have ample number of recipes and I have created playlists. So if you go to my home page, you will see playlists, and there you can search according to what you're looking for. Breakfast ideas, lunch ideas, tiffin ideas, sweet dishes, Christmas recipes. It's a lot of stuff out there, so you can just go and look for what you're really looking for. So I hope you enjoy the recipe, and without much further ado, let's just start making these amazing bread pakoras. So now friends, we're going to start by making the green chutney. For that, I have taken some fresh coriander which has been washed very well, first soaked in some salt water and then washed thoroughly. Then I've taken about 15 light green chilies, an inch of ginger, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, some salt and some lemon, half a lemon, and I'm going to grind all of this to a nice fine paste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Now these chilies are not spicy at all, but when you add 15 of them, it gives you just the right spiciness for the green chutney. So we want a very fine paste like this. Now the next step is making the coarse paste for the potato bhaji. Now for this, I've taken about 1 inch of ginger, I've taken about 6 to 7 light green chilies and some few curry leaves. Here is the boiled potato, 2 medium-sized potatoes which I have boiled and chopped, and this is some coriander for the garnish. So I'm going to grind this with again a pinch of salt. So I want a coarse paste like this. And now we're going to make the potato bhaji or the batata bhaji. Now here I have some oil, about 1 tablespoon of regular cooking oil heating up in a pan. I'm going to use my spices from my spice box. That is asafoetida. I'm going to be using some cumin or jeera, some haldi, and some mustard seeds or mori or rai. So when the oil is nice and hot, on a low to medium flame, and this is the coarse paste that we're going to be adding to the potato bhaji. And some lime, half a lime too. So now my oil is nice and hot. I'm going to be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, also called mori or rai. And we're going to let it splutter. Now for boiling my potatoes, I put them in the pressure cooker with some water after washing the potatoes, of course, thoroughly. And then on 1 whistle on high, and then I keep it on a medium flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. That way it becomes just the perfect consistency. Now I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, some cumin and some turmeric powder. Now we're going to add the coarsely ground green paste. And we're going to fry all of this very well till the rawness of the ginger and the chilies and the curry leaves goes away. And it nicely flavors the oil. Now, one tip I like to give over here is, it's always good to just boil about 2 small potatoes or 3 small potatoes and keep them in your refrigerator, because they really are so handy. You can make potato parathas, you can make potato bhaji, you can make some patties, you can make pav bhaji. So I always invariably have like 2 or 3 small potatoes which are boiled in the refrigerator. Or you can make even potato sandwiches. So it really comes handy. And when they're in the fridge for about 1 or 2 days, you can work with them better when they're on, nice and cold and refrigerated. And now we're going to add some salt to taste. So about half a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of sugar. And we're going to mix all of this very well. And one more tip is, once your potatoes are ready in the pressure cooker, and your pressure cooker is, you're able to open your pressure cooker, immediately take out the potatoes. Because if you keep them in your cooker for a longer time, they become very soggy and they're very difficult to work with. So the minute you're able to open your pressure pan, just take out your potatoes and let them cool. And now we're going to make the next stage, which is getting our sandwiches ready to make this bread pakora. So here I've taken brown bread and I've cut them into slices. So each bread I've cut into 2 slices. I'm going to apply a little bit of the green chutney that we had ground, and a little bit of this potato bhaji. And just put another slice on top, half a slice, and just press it down and seal it up together. Like this. Now you can make these and keep them in your refrigerator, and when you are ready to serve them, you can then fry them. This is such a great snack during the monsoons. It's also a great tiffin idea, or if you have unexpected guests, you can just put this together. It's just amazing. Just remember to press it tightly together so it gets nice and sealed up. So in this way, I've prepared all the sandwiches. And now we're going to make a batter. I have my oil heating up. And I've taken about half a cup of chickpea flour or besan. I'm going to add a little bit of hing, harad, or turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, a little bit of salt. And now by adding a little bit of water, I'm just going to whisk everything together. We are looking for a thick batter, something like a dosa batter. We don't want a very runny batter. So I've added about 1/4 cup of water to half a cup of besan or chickpea flour. Now, one trick which I learned from my mother-in-law is, when you're making bhajis or batata vada or these pakoras and you want them to be crispy, all you need to do is, once your oil is hot, just add about a teaspoon or 2 of that hot oil into this batter and mix it up well. That will really give you the lovely crispy flavor you're looking for. Then keep your tissue ready to drain out the excess oil. Now my oil is nice and hot, so just coat these ready sandwiches which we have prepared with this batter, and then deep fry them till they're nice and golden brown. Remember to fry them on a low to medium flame. That way they get evenly cooked. If you go and use a high flame, then only the outside of the sandwich will get cooked, and everything inside will be raw and soggy. So always cook on a low to medium flame. And once both the top and the bottom are done, just try to seal up the sides too. And once they're nice and golden brown, drain off the excess oil on some kitchen towels or kitchen napkin. This goes amazingly well with some tomato ketchup or some lovely green chutney at the side, or just by itself with a hot cup of tea or coffee. So I hope you liked today's easy, rainy or monsoon recipe, and I hope you try it out. This is an ideal tea time or anytime snack too. Let me know if you all prepare your bread pakoras in any other way. I would love to learn and love to know. If you'll have tried out this recipe and liked it, then please leave your comments in the comment box below. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Spread the word about Akshatas recipes with family and friends. And you can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on my Facebook page. All the links are there on my Akshatas recipes homepage. If you look at the side, you will find I also have a blog called Akshatas recipes. I have my Insta updates, and I have my Facebook page too. So you can follow me on all of the social media. And thanks for watching Akshatas recipes. Stay tuned. Have a great day. And I'll catch you in my next recipe, guys. Bye.